Amazon find.
Do you know how much he made from that video? It'll literally blow your mind when I tell you. And I'm going to tell you exactly how he did it with no followers, no startup costs, and you don't even need to show your face. It's actually very simple to set up. So this video got 19.5 million views. So what he does is he gets people from that account over here to Amazon to show them the product that he's demonstrating. Every time somebody buys using that referred link, that person's going to earn $3. So even if only 10,000 people out of that 19.5 million actually buys the product, he would have made over $30,000 just on that one video. And literally anyone can do this. So you're going to go here over to Amazon Associates and you're going to sign up for free. When you find a product that you want to promote, you click text to get your unique link. This is called affiliate marketing, and if you want to learn exactly how to do it, give me a follow and check out the link in my profile.